Does your Messages app show a red notification badge with a number, but when you open Messages, there are no unread texts anywhere? For example, my Messages app is showing numbers of unread messages right here, but when I open it, every conversation looks like it's already been read. This is sometimes called a phantom notification badge. Let me show you a few ways to find those hidden messages and reset that badge back to 0. First, let's refresh the Messages badge. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap Notifications. Scroll down and select Messages. Now find Badges and turn it off. Once it's off, restart your iPhone. After your iPhone turns back on, return to Settings, Notifications, and Messages, and turn Badges back on. Now I'm going back to my home screen and checking whether that incorrect number has disappeared. If the badge is still showing, there could actually be an unread message hiding inside a filtered section. Open the Messages app. Tap Filters. Now check Unknown Senders. For example, maybe someone who isn't saved in my contacts sent me a message. It isn't obvious in my regular conversation list, but that filtered message could be what I'm looking for. Open any unread conversations you find and mark them as read. Still seeing the badge? Let's check Recently Deleted. From the Messages app, tap Edit or open the available Filter/Options menu and go to Recently Deleted. Check whether any recently deleted conversations are still sitting here. If you find the conversation causing the issue, you can recover it, make sure the messages are read, and then delete it again if you don't need it. Now here's another trick that's worth trying. Activate Siri by pressing and holding the side button, or use your Siri voice command. Then say, "Read all my unread messages." Let Siri go through any messages that iOS still considers unread. Once Siri finishes, check the Messages icon again. In some cases, this can clear a stuck unread count and bring the badge back to 0. And if none of these solutions worked, try a force restart of your iPhone. After the iPhone starts back up, give Messages a moment to refresh and check the notification badge again. So, if your Messages app says you have unread messages when there aren't any, don't just ignore that red number. Refresh the badge settings, check Unknown Senders, check Recently Deleted, ask Siri to read your unread messages, and finally, force restart your iPhone. Now tell me in the comments, what number was stuck on your Messages badge? 1, 2, 10, or even more? And let me know which solution cleared it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.